Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers on a Kia Telluride. First, gather your supplies. You will need 2 new wiper blades, typically 26 inches for the driver's side and 18 inches for the passenger's side. Also, grab a soft towel or a piece of cardboard to protect your windshield. A small flathead screwdriver might be useful for some clips, but often isn't necessary. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now, let's remove those old wiper blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be sure to place your protective towel on the windshield beneath the arm. Next, find the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade straight off the hook. Once removed, gently lower the bare wiper arm back onto the towel, never letting it snap down onto the glass. With the old blade off, installing the new one is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Once both blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. Finally, let's test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe how the new blades clear the glass, ensuring there are no streaks or missed spots. For best performance and longevity, regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth. It's also a good practice to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or as soon as you notice reduced visibility. Great job, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.